Hello guys, welcome back to Crafted by the Pond. I hope everybody's having a great Thursday. I'm a little tired today. The husband and I went to go see Elton John last night and it was an awesome show. Totally happy we went. We had a great time. Went and had a great meal before, but again, I'm not as young as I used to be and I'm tired. But anyway, I wanted to come on here today because yesterday I promised I would do an unboxing for the Positively Papercraft kit that I purchased from Ann Melvin. She is a crafter in England, and she offers these kits every month. I personally think they're a great value for the money because unlike some of the other kits that you can buy, she looks around and you get different types of products. I like the fact that I can get things from her that I can't necessarily get here in the US. So it's a win-win for everybody. Her kits right now, the prices of her kit did go up, and that had to do with the shipping. And so I think now it's like around, I think it's like $30 now because the shipping is just, when the post office increased the rates, they, it kind of affected all of us. So anyway, but still a great value for the money. And you guys, wait until you see. So let's just stop talking and I'll start showing. Okay, so the kit comes, nice, wrapped in some very nice tissue paper in a nice sturdy box. Nothing has ever been smashed or damaged when she's sent me a shipment. So first here, she's included some pretty different types of ribbon and some pretty blingy sequin trim, which I'm digging that. That's really nice. I'll get some use out of that. And then she always sends some cards. I'm sorry about the crinkling. If you don't like crinkling, you might want to turn it off because there's going to be some crinkling. I can't help that. But some pretty yellow cards, some envelopes, some yellow envelopes, and then these beautiful, cards. This card here, the beautiful trim, and they're blank inside, so you can do what you will with those. And then she also enclosed these beautiful handmade paper flowers. She always sends some type of handmade gift when you purchase from her. She sent these pretty blue enamel dots. And then she also sent this pack of ephemera, and it's 25 cardstock dies, 6 different designer titles and quotes. And again, I have never seen this here in the States. I know that camera is blurry, you guys. I think I'm going to start filming with my phone. Just to kind of make things easier. So I'm sorry I didn't want to make everybody dizzy. But, I mean, this ephemera pack even has, like, some little sequins and flat back gems in there. So, yay, score. She always sends some paper, and this paper is called Lucky Charm, and I'm just going to kind of open this up and we'll flip through it really quickly. And it's beautiful card. It's double-sided. And the cards, the GSM weight on this cardstock is a lot. It's pretty thick. It's nice, thick cardstock. It's not paper at all. So pretty flowers. And on the back, those are unicorns, pink unicorns. And she sends, you get 4 sheets of each. This yellow pinstripe, and then on this side pretty green flowers, different. And here we have some anchors, and then some pretty beautiful dragonflies. And some more anchors. Okay, and then this pretty mint green polka dot, very, very nice, very, very springy. And then this beautiful floral print there. And then we have some chevrons. Again, very kind of minty, and the peach and the pink and the mint, which is everybody's kind of liking that right now. And then some pretty hearts. And on the back, just that nice bold stripe. And some pink and yellow hearts. And then the beautiful floral print on that side. This one is awesome. It has that, the waving cat that you always see in the Chinese restaurants. And just, that's a very oriental theme, which I'm going to hang on to this. My daughter is a nurse also, and she works down in Charleston, and her best friend are going to be going to Japan in a couple weeks. So I'm going to kind of hang on to that so I can do like a little photo journal for her when she gets back. And then this one is just a nice origami bird. I don't know if you can really see it. That camera's terrible. I'm so sorry. You guys are so patient for dealing with me. And then this nice pink floral print. And then on this side is some green umbrellas. And then a nice green striped print. And then another floral. So, and this other, we're starting over. So, you know, very nice, you know, different kind of papers and items that you wouldn't normally get to see here. Okay, so she also sent in this month these beautiful bunny stamps. And let me just do this so you can take a look. Those are just precious. And I really like them a lot. It says, somebody loves you. Have a bright and sunny day. Hey, honey bunny, and happy Easter. Too cute. So I'm very, very excited. I'm doing an Easter loaded bag swap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these stamps and I'm going to stamp them out on some watercolor paper and send them along to, you know, send them along as part of the loaded bag swap. So that way my swap partner can color those in whatever colors, you know, she would like to have. So those were too cute. Very excited for that. Okay, with Ann's, here, let me flip this over again so we can kind of have the white. Ann always sends also a die, and this is the Easter, it's an actual Easter basket. And so, you know, of course I had to cut it out because you guys would want to see what it looked like. How cute is that? And I just grabbed like the first paper I saw. There was like no rhyme or reason to it. And so I also have cut several of these out for my swap partner so she can put some together for herself. So I love that. And this die, it's awesome. You know, sometimes you get dies and, you know, they don't cut out right, or, you know, when you're trying to like disconnect them from each other, they break. And I've never had an issue like that with one of Ann's kits. Okay. So this next, I think she said it's called Hunky Dory watercolor effect card. And again, guys, I'm so sorry for the crinkling, but I probably should have pre-opened it, but, you know, better luck next time. I'll do it next time. Oh, these are gorgeous. So here is, this is, you know, two beautiful dresses, and it says sent with love. There's the one, and then the other. Sorry about the glare. So those are just kind of card front bases. You can cut those up and put those on. Beautiful blue cardstock, very pretty pink. And then she always sends, you know, several sheets of just the plain white card. And then this gorgeous, sorry about the blinding. It's a rose gold color. I don't know if the camera's picking it up the way it should, but it's real pretty. And then this is gorgeous. It's very heavy cardstock, and it's just, you know, it's got that pretty blue on there. I'm trying to get that so you can see. So there we are. And like I said, Ann does these kits every month. She does send you like a packing slip in here. And oh my gosh, she also sent a Happy Easter word die, and I don't know where that is right now. But anyway, she also sends, you know, the packing slip, and then you also will get either a link to a private YouTube instructional video, so that she tells you and shows you what you can do, what you can make with all of the contents, you know, of the kit. So if you guys are interested, I will link her address to Positively Papercraft. She has a Facebook group as well. So if you're interested in that, you can kind of hit her up and send her an email. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a tremendous day. I have one more day left of my spring break, and I'm so sad. But I was grateful to have a little bit of a break. And like I said, I'm working on my loaded bag. So I think when I get it done, I'll do a quick video. Hopefully I'll have it done by tomorrow. And I'll do a quick video because I don't think my swap partner does YouTube, or she even knows I'm here. So, and if she does see it, well then she'll get a sneak peek. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Oh, and before I go and forget, thank you to all my new subscribers. Mary Beth from MV Gray Designs, you are the best. Thank you all so much. I think when I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway. And I think I will continue, you know, throughout to do that. So please stay tuned, and I hope everybody's having a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.